Okie dokie, so we are going bold this Saturday morning. It is exactly 8:15 on the nose. Can you see? You cannot. And today we are doing the wear test video for this NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment in Don't Stop. So I already had the pleasure of filming this video, but then I managed to delete all of the footage of it before actually uploading it to my computer. Just straight up deleted it. So that's my bad, and we are filming it again. As always, I'm going to start off by reading what NARS has to say about their lip product and show you the application process. NARS says, "Lock lips, potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long-lasting wear. Sensorial, lightweight texture that applies like an ink on the lips. Dries down to lock-in formula for a smudge-resistant, carefree wear. Matte, empowered." The details are it has a matte finish, a long-lasting coverage, and you need to shake well before use. It says how to use. Shake well before use. For the most intense color, apply to clean, bare lips. For more definition, use the applicator to line lips, then fill in with the remaining color. Powermatte Lip Pigment is best removed with a gentle oil-free eye makeup remover. You can always use just a regular normal oil makeup remover. It doesn't have to be eye makeup remover. And it says, please note, product may stain. Please make sure the cap is securely closed when the product is not in use. Ooh, it has benefits. Okay, benefits are power of pigment, full coverage pigment with one swipe application. Smooth liquid texture glides on easily to give fully saturated opaque coverage. The ultra pigmented color has a true matte finish, and the custom Doe Foot Applicator provides effortless precision in one swipe. The power of comfort, a long-lasting color with comforting texture. Fluid pigment complex gives lightweight, flexible color that moves with lips and feels comfortable. It has a long-lasting formula that provides lasting, smudge-resistant wear, and it has the power of choice, a wide shade range. Create any lip look from natural to bold for the occasion, the perfect nude, pink, red, and berry for any skin tone. So my first thoughts are, first of all, it smells really nice. It has like a very sweet vanilla-y fragrance, but it's not like in a sickly kind of Bath & Body Works kind of vanilla. It's very mature. Second, the Doe Foot Applicator is amazing. It's like almost like a four-sided pyramid, like Pyramid of Giza style, except for, you know, taller and not as pointy. It's more of like a rounded point, but it's really cool. So it has it's like basically the exact same on every side, so you can get like a really nice precise line, and then you can use the flat side to fill it in. To get my entire lip done, I only needed like one dip. I didn't need to double dip to get both my lips done, which is very impressive. I didn't find that it dried down like super quickly like an ink. It had a lot of claims about being like smudge proof, super long wearing, super matte. It looks very matte, but let's zoom in real quick. So this has totally dried down by now, and it is ever so slightly shiny. So it's not like a perfect chalky matte, and they kept saying that it's like a matte texture. This is less of a matte and more of like a velvety matte. Let's see if it is kiss proof. Kind of, almost. There's just like a shadow of the lipstick there. So maybe if it takes a little bit longer to dry down, it'll actually be completely transfer proof, but we shall see. But that is all I have for you right this very second, and I will check back in later on in the day. Alright, so it is about 12:45 and I am checking back in on this NARS lipstick. So you can see it kind of has transferred up onto my lip. I'm actually just gonna clean that off from drinking out of a can. What you gonna do? That just happened. It is still transferring. Actually, it's transferring more now than it was before. Oh no. And it did transfer onto the like upper part of my chin a little bit while I was eating lunch. That's so weird. You can actually still see where I did the test the first time around and then just now, and it's transferred way more. Why is it doing that? That's kind of a bummer. It has done the fairly standard for me matte lipstick thing where it kind of cracks in between the lines in my lips. That is just something that I experience with almost every matte lipstick because I don't have like, you know, super full lips, They are a little bit liney, and if there's a matte lipstick there, it's just going to like separate when I move my lips. But otherwise from that, the color is strong. It is there. It's kicking. And it has been like a full, how many, like almost 6 hours now? That's some pretty decent wear. We shall see how much longer this guy is gonna go, and I will check back in later. Okay, so it is almost 9 o'clock. We are just about to watch, or basically we just started Disney's Coco. It's on Netflix. Anyway, I've heard it's a real tearjerker, so I'm going to take my makeup off because we are well past 12 hours of wear. That is, you know, a fair enough time period to say that it is indeed long wearing. I would say that this held up exceptionally well throughout the day. It has transferred more and more throughout the day. The longer I'm wearing it, the more it's transferring. But I haven't touched it up at all, and the color is still super vibrant. It's really only worn off like the interior part of my lips from just, you know, eating and drinking, normal daily life stuff. The edges of my lip, especially the upper lip, have gotten a lot fuzzier as the day has worn on. But again, it's been 12 hours without a touch-up. If you wanted it to be pristine, just touch it up throughout the day. But that is it for me today. A full review written right up on the blog later on, and I will see you next time. Bye.